The evolution of horse.
The evolutionary lineage of the horse is among the best documented in paleontology. The history of the horse family, Equidae, began during the Eocene epoch, which lasted from about 56 to 33.9 million years ago.
The line leading from Eohippus to modern horse exhibits the following evolutionary trends: increase in size, reduction in number of hooves, loss of foot pads, lengthening of legs, fusion of independent bones of lower legs, elongation of muzzle, increase in size and complexity of brain, and development of crested high-crowned teeth suited for grazing. This is not to imply that there are steady gradual progression in these characteristics leading inevitably from those of Eohippus to those of modern horse. Some of these features, such as grazing dentation, appeared abruptly in fossil records, rather than a combination of numerous gradual changes. Eohippus, moreover, give rise to many now extinct branches of horse family, some of which differed substantially from the line leading to the modern equine.
Fossils of Mesohippus, the next important ancestor of the modern horse, are found in the early and middle Oligocene of North America. The Oligocene epoch lasted from about 33.9 million to 23 million years ago. Mesohippus was far more horse-like than its Eocene ancestors. It was larger, averaging about 6 hands, about 61 cm or 24 inches high. The snout was more muzzle-like and the legs were longer and more slender. Mesohippus also had a larger brain. The fourth toe on the forefoot had been reduced to a V-stage, so that the both forefeet and hindfeet carried 3 functional toes and footpad. The teeth remained adapted to browsing. By the late Oligocene, Mesohippus had evolved into a somewhat larger form known as Myohippus. The descendants of Myohippus split into various evolutionary branches during the early Miocene. The Miocene epoch lasted
from browsing to grazing, intention was incidentally completed, and Merychippus was involved from Parehippus during the middle and the late Miocene. Merychippus must have looked much like a modern pony. It was fairly large, standing about 10 hands and 101.6 centimeters or 40 inches high, and its skull was similar to that of the modern horse. The larger bones of lower leg and become fused. This structure, which has been present in all modern equines in all adaptation, with switch running, the feet remained.